Here we have a Dewalt 12-inch compound miter saw, the DW718, and it appears to be unused. However, it's just making a knocking noise, if you want to call it that, when you fire the drill up. I'll just show you. You can probably hear it in the video here. Not quite sure what's going on there, or even if the motor isn't running properly. Let's do it. It sounds like maybe the belt is loose and may need adjustment. We're not sure. We didn't pull the cover off. Does not include a blade. However, it does include a dust bag, and here's an attachment here, clamp for holding your piece down. It does slide in and out, as you can see, and the table does swivel very nicely.